A keto diet consists of high-fat foods plus low-carb foods plus modest amounts of protein. When a person follows a keto diet, their goal is to reach ketosis so their body will burn fat instead of glucose. To do this, people will consume foods that are high in fat, which is why they turn to high-fat animal products like butter, meat, and dairy. Vegans and plant-based people can absolutely follow a vegan keto diet. It might take a little planning, because it can be more restrictive, but it can definitely be done. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. If you are following a low-carb diet, you can try these easy and delicious vegan keto recipes for dinner over the next few days. We'll share colorful bowls, pizza, tacos, soups, chili, and more in this video. If you thought that low-carb and plant-based can't go hand in hand, meet these easy vegan keto recipes. No grains, lots of veggies and delicious spices are featured in these hand-selected dinner ideas. We love making a plant-based diet work for all kinds of dietary approaches, and since the keto diet is usually very reliant on animal products, we wanted to help keto fans to try more vegan recipes. Although you need to get a little creative, you can enjoy colorful wraps, cheesy pizza, crunchy vegetable noodle dishes, casseroles, and even burgers on a very low-carb vegan diet. Number 1. Vegan Pad Thai with peanut sauce. Replace your grains with colorful vegetable noodles for this vegan keto dinner idea. Flavorful peanut sauce, crunchy veggies, and protein-packed tofu meat for this delicious pad thai. Ready in 20 minutes and super healthy. Number 2. Baked vegan ratatouille. Bursting with seasonal summer veggies like zucchini, squash, and eggplant, this beautiful baked ratatouille makes for a presentable vegan keto-friendly dinner for when you have guests. Serve with cauliflower rice and lots of fresh herbs. Number 3. Easy Keto Cauliflower Tacos. These cauliflower tacos are easy to make with either air-fried, grilled or roasted cauliflower, cabbage, jalapeno, and drizzled with an avocado lime crema. Served in low-carb tortillas or lettuce wraps, they make for a great light and healthy lunch or dinner. Number 4. Vegan Keto Portobello Burger. Perfect for a family get-together, a dinner with friends, or a special treat after a long day. These vegan keto portobello mushroom burgers are delicious and rich in nutrients. They only require a few ingredients, and most of them are probably already in your kitchen. Number 5. Broccoli Almond Soup. This deep green broccoli almond soup is super creamy but completely dairy-free and low in carbs. Great for a cozy dinner during the colder months, it features a wonderful blend of aromatics and spices to create a richly flavored, filling soup you can serve in 30 minutes or less. Number 6. Keto Zucchini Crust Pizza. Get ready for your next favorite vegan keto dinner for the whole family. This recipe for a simple low-carb zucchini pizza crust calls for only 5 simple ingredients, is free from cheese, eggs and flour and high in veggies. Only 2.6 grams of net carbs per slice. This keto pizza can be loaded with anything from tomatoes to olives or vegan cheese. Number 7. Mediterranean Keto Collard Green Wraps. Eat more veggies with these Mediterranean-inspired keto collard green wraps. They take only 7 ingredients and 5 minutes to make, work well for meal prep or to-go lunches, and look really pretty. Number 8. Mushroom Cauliflower Rice Skillet. Cauliflower rice is one of the classic vegan keto recipes. Ready in only 20 minutes, it's great for weeknight meals and can be loaded with different veggies. This one-pan recipe calls for celery, onion, garlic, mushrooms, soy sauce, and spinach. Number 9. Palm Hearts Avocado Salad. This heart of palm avocado salad is quick, simple, and full of flavor, color, and texture. Creamy avocado meets crunchy nuts, summery lemon basil dressing, and briny palm hearts from a jar. Try this 10-minute low-carb recipe. Number 10. Vegan Smoked Cauliflower. A tender smoked whole cauliflower with a crusty smoked layer and soft cauliflower flesh, perfect for a healthy low-carb side dish or light dinner. Prepare this centerpiece either in your oven or using a barbecue. Number 11. Spaghetti Squash Lasagna Bowls. You can't have normal spaghetti on a vegan keto diet, but you can have spaghetti squash. These gorgeous lasagna bowls are made from halved, filled, and baked squash. Featuring a flavorful tomato sauce and topped with creamy vegan ricotta, this recipe is such a beautiful plant-based dinner idea. Number 12. Vegan Pad Pak Thai. If you enjoy Asian cuisine, try this simple vegan Pad Pak Thai. It's fresh, flavorful, and easy to make in less than 30 minutes. Packed with bold flavors and healthy ingredients, it's a keto-friendly light dinner that can be served over cauliflower rice. Number 13. Mashed cauliflower with vegan gravy. Let's use this awesome and versatile vegetable that is cauliflower and turn it into a flavorful, keto-approved puree. Replicating mashed potatoes but with almost no carbs, it tastes great with some vegan mushroom gravy and lots of fresh herbs. Number 14. Easy Vegan Eggplant Rollatini. This recipe consists of thinly sliced eggplant that is stuffed with homemade vegan ricotta cheese, smothered in a homemade marinara sauce and topped with vegan mozzarella cheese. Ready in about an hour, it looks super fancy but is easier to make than you might think. Number 15. Vegan Keto Lettuce Wraps. Do you like P.F. Chang's lettuce wraps? This vegan keto version delivers all of the flavors thanks to the perfectly spiced and cooked tofu. Serve with the easy homemade almond butter sauce and enjoy after only 30 minutes. Number 16. Keto-friendly spiralized veggie bowl. Get your spiralizer and make this colorful veggie bowl for your next low-carb dinner. A medley of spiralized vegetable noodles are served with pan-fried smoked marinated tofu, fresh lime, herbs, and a totally addictive spicy peanut dressing. Number 17. Keto-friendly vegan chile. This healthy no-bean chile is high in protein and low in carbs. Packed with flavor thanks to cozy spices like cumin, chile, paprika, and cinnamon, it gets its texture from soy meat, mushrooms, and walnuts. Try this easy dinner idea that everyone will want to grab seconds of. Number 18. Lemon Pesto Zoodles. Made with simple ingredients and ready to enjoy in under 30 minutes, this is a great vegan keto weeknight dinner. Zoodles are paired with asparagus and a refreshing lemon pesto sauce that consists of basil, parsley, pine nuts, garlic, nutritional yeast, and a few more staple foods. Number 19. Vegan Keto Mushroom Pizzas. These cute little vegan keto portobello mushroom pizzas are stuffed with vegan mozzarella, sugar-free marinara sauce and topped with vegan pepperoni and sprinkles of basil. Ready in 30 minutes total, they are a wonderful kid-friendly dinner idea and so easy to make. Number 20. Classic American Coleslaw. Here's a great keto-friendly vegan side dish for your mushroom pizzas. This classic American coleslaw features crunchy veggies and creamy vegan mayo. It's easy to whip up and best made ahead of time so you can enjoy it straight from the fridge. Number 21. Creamy Vegan Tomato Soup. This creamy, velvety tomato soup is perfect for rainy day lunches and cozy dinners. It's high in fat thanks to the coconut milk and requires only a handful of staple foods, like garlic, onion, or crushed tomatoes, to make. Number 22. Low-carb cauliflower tabbouleh. This cauliflower tabbouleh is based on the traditional Middle Eastern salad recipe, but uses cauliflower rice instead of bulgur for a keto and grain-free alternative. Loaded with veggies and ready to enjoy in 20 minutes, it's the perfect vegan keto lunch. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.